Dahil sa papel na to, lahat ng pinaghirapan ni Mark for 15 years, nawala. Isa siyang breadwinner. Mayaman, naka-sports car. Pero ngayon, nagta-tricycle na lang siya. Just because he refused to do this one important thing that I'm going to tell you in this video.
Hi, my name is Mark and ako yung breadwinner ng family ko. Ako yung palaging nagsasabi sa family ng, I got you. Marami akong savings, may bahay, and syempre may favorite din ako na sports car. Tuition ng mga kapatid ko, sagot ko yan. And yung mga emergencies, ako din yun. And then, it happened. Na-stroke ako. 1 ICU bill and 1 lost job. Yung ICU bill, 900,000. The surgery itself, 600,000. Tapos may diagnostics pa, additional 190,000. And yung monthly income kong nawala, 250,000. Wala akong ICU coverage, wala ring hospital income coverage. Basically, wala akong backup plan. And yung love na love kong sports car, favorite ko pa naman yun, binenta ko. All of my credit cards maxed out. And yung most painful is yung wife ko. Nung sinabi niya sa akin habang umiiyak, akala ko, Han, okay na tayo. That was more heartbreaking than the stroke. Imagine, lahat ng pinaghirapan mo in 15 years, na wala lang lahat, parang bula, in 15 days.
Imaginein mo, ikaw yun. Would your family survive? This is why I built the 9-in-1 freedom plan for breadwinners. Hindi lang to basta-basta insurance. This is a lifesaver. Built para hindi mawala mga pinaghirapan mo in case of emergency. With this 9 life-saving benefits, this plan could have paid Mark in the ICU. Also, if ever sana makapag-fund sa surgery niya. This will also replace his income and makapag-save sana sa family niya from panic and utang. By the way, my name is Joanna, your financial transformational advisor. Me and my team protect breadwinners like Mark. Kasi when you fall, sino ang sasalo sa'yo? Actually, you don't need another savings account. Ang kailangan mo, a system that thinks 5 steps ahead para hindi mawala lahat na pinaghirapan mo in case of an emergency. Maraming tao pag napanood to mag-scroll lang. And sasabihin nila, naku, next time na lang. Pero what if yung next time na yon hindi na dumating? Kung may mangyaring emergency, will you survive or struggle? Me and my team will make sure you survive. So if you want me to build your 9-in-1 freedom plan, just click the send message button now and let's make sure you and your family survive.